everyone, and welcome to Eden Secret. Got something different for you today, something people have been screaming for the last 10 years, because 10 years ago I showed you that we've been basically building an extension and redecorating, but it's taken the past 10 years to finally get everything finished. Everything is not finished, but each room that does get finished, I'm actually going to show you the progress. So this is the first room that is actually finished, and this is the guest bathroom. So the first 4 minutes of this video, I thought you might like to just see me cleaning the bathroom. There's no talking on the first 4 minutes, but I will be talking later in the video, because I know loads of you love to hear me talk. I can't for the life of me understand why you like it, but I know you like it, so I need to do it as much as possible. If I'm not talking in a video and I'm putting a fast video up, it's only because I haven't got another video ready for you to go. So enjoy this one, and if you come to stay, this is your bathroom. Enjoy. And now it's time to see the finishing touches. Back in a second for that. It's all about the shiny metalwork, obviously the spotless shiny bath as well. Well, it's about spotless shiny everything, isn't it? Down to the door handle. Got to be able to see reflection in there, and even all the shower hose and the taps, all looking pretty good in my opinion. Nice shiny tiles, all buffed to perfection. Then everything's looking shiny and buffed to perfection, along with the radiator. Oh, do you see a smear on there? I can. I wonder what that is. So that's got to come off. Okay, so we've got some lovely pieces here, all of which are cheap. Most probably from Home Bargains. I've got these gorgeous jewellery trays, which I thought would be so nice for my new bathroom. So I've got 2 of those. One to pop on one side, one to pop on the other, and it's just all about decorating them with beautiful things. These glass jars, they were candles, again probably from Home Bargains or B&M. We used the candles, and once we'd used up all the candle wax, I cleaned them out, and they are just lovely with some lovely 8-hour tea lights in there. And then I'm going to pop those around the edge of the bath. So you don't want to go overboard with your decor because it'll end up just looking untidy and cluttered. So just a lovely Diptyque room spray there in Fig Yeah, and Angel Aura perfume. And then for the other one, which is going to go on the other side, I'm actually just going to pop my hand wash and hand lotion on there. Bayliss and Harding, cheap as chips. It's a great copy, a really inexpensive copy of Molton Brown. Can't beat nice white new towels. Right, so there's a couple of things still need doing, but we're more or less there. Just added this lovely vase of flowers over there. It's like a giant vase I've had for years and I absolutely love it. It's not in the middle because if you want to open the window it would be in the way, and then the bath's got these headrests on there, and there's the candles in the corner. Really, this is just a guest bathroom. This isn't a bathroom that we use or anything. So, oh yeah, I have got white towels, but these grey ones are brand new and they're really big, so you can wrap them round you. And so that's what my new bathroom looks like now. I love it. It has been done before, but John didn't like the sink the way it was, and we wanted to put a shower in so that if guests come to stay, they've got a shower and they don't need to use ours. Like, it just gives them some privacy. So this is what our cute little guest bathroom that will hardly ever get used, this is what it looks like. So thanks for watching. I bet you're glad of an update because you've been waiting a lot of years to see at least one. So bye for now. I can hear you. I can hear you. I know exactly what you're saying. Karen, you're dressing that bathroom and you haven't even put any of your own products in there. But you see, I did put some products in for Nicole coming to stay. So this is what those gorgeous tea lights look like, all lit up. And then she's got a choice of bath bombs there as well. And then this is one of the products I managed to save from my shop. It's the Nougat Body to Home Fig and Pink Cedar Nourishing Cream Bath. Comes in a beautiful glass jar. Nicole, you're not allowed to use that, by the way. That is for show only. Alright, so yes, there's some products there. And no sink would be finished without putting out some soap as well. So we've got Queen of Hearts over here, and we've got the Aleppo type soap. And one of the soaps I think I'm going to get certified, safety assessed, is the oatmeal. I really like this bar of soap. The Aleppo is very acquired smell. I think a lot of people won't like it. The only thing I can compare it to is carbolic soap. It doesn't smell exactly like carbolic, but it's that type of smell, and it is pretty strong. John doesn't like it. So it's a very expensive bar of soap. I mean, it would have to be £15 to sell a bar like that. So probably won't get that safety assessed, probably won't ever be worth it. But I love it. The thing is, I love anything that's different to what I've smelt before, because I've been doing this 17 years. I love to smell things that are unusual to me. I just remembered, I thought I'd better give an extra big special thank you to my husband John, who is a grafter. He works so hard. He's worked so hard on this house, and he's turned it into a little palace for us. So thank you, John, for getting this ready in the nick of time for our visitors coming. First visitors we've had in 10 years, because we don't have any friends, believe it or not. Okay, thanks, John. Love you, and thanks for doing all of this for us. You're very special. Now you can have a rest. Until next week, when you need to start the next project.